In this video, we're going to learn how to force copy a Google application. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick tech tutorial to show you how to share your Google application, such as a Google Doc, with someone else, whether it's a colleague, a friend, or even a student, that is going to force them to make a copy of your document and add that copy to their Google Drive so that they are not editing your original document. Now, forced copy is something that I actually use in my classroom all the time with my students. So let me show you how easy and simple this is to do. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to select the share button in the top right corner. And from here, I always like to change this to make sure it says anyone with the link, just to be on the safe side, even though for this demonstration it probably doesn't matter. But we're going to copy this link, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to paste the link in a new tab just because I don't want to paste it in the same tab that I'm working in. All right, so from here, here's my URL. Everything after the /, you're going to select it, and we're going to type the word copy. Okay, once we do that, I'm going to copy the entire URL, and then I'm going to press enter. Now, the reason I copied the entire URL is just in case something weird happens. You don't necessarily have to copy it. You can just press enter, and this is what you're going to see. So whenever you share out this link, this forced copy link, this is what the recipient, the other person, will see, and they will be able to select make a copy in order to save the template to their Google Drive. Now we can take it a step further, and we can actually use a Chrome extension called SirLinksALot. Now this Chrome extension will automatically generate or modify your Google app URL so that you don't have to actually go in and put the word copy in the URL. So let me demonstrate how this works. If I go back to my original Google Doc and I go up and select my SirLinksALot Chrome extension, notice my URL is here, and I can select force copy, and it's going to automatically generate a new copy link that I can then share with someone else. There are also some other options where you can change the link to preview, template, or PDF. If you like this tech tip, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.